Yeah, so I just woke up by like 6 o'clock. I already looked. Hi, camera, come. It seems like
you can see price later on, spooled and went on to hit TP.
Good morning, guys. It's your boy J Forex, and today is March 26th. Alright, so and it's a Wednesday. I just decided to do a day in the life of a trader. I know it's still early in my channel. We're still starting, but I feel like this channel is all about documenting my journey. So I mean, a day in the life is definitely worth documenting. Not so, yeah. So I just woke up by like 6 o'clock. I already looked in my journal. You see, today is March 26th. So I've penned down a few things that just for myself. Then I have this other book that I write my trading strategies and everything. I'm going to basically go through it just a little bit, just to refresh my memory and all that. I'm on actually 3 trades today. I don't know if they hit stop loss or smash TP or I don't even know, GBP USD, GBP card and Euro USD. Euro is just messing up, I will not lie, but looking to buy that boy, that stubborn boy. But yeah, let's just see how it goes. Welcome aboard, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I just got to my department right now, and it seems like hi camera come. It seems like they are not here around, so I don't know. I think today I blundered because like this is where we do our clearance and everything. So since they are not here, I think maybe I'm going to wait a little longer, or he's going to head home now. I think we want to see one more lecturer, person who is videoing. We want to see a lecturer, and then we'll start heading home. Alright, yeah, so basically I'm still monitoring my trades. You know what happened to our GBP trade. Yeah, that one is, but anyhow, still got trades in the bag. There's still Euro USD, there's still GBP card, and now AUD JPY. I entered an AUD JPY sell. So let's just see how it will go, guys. I don't want to let my emotions get the best of me. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's go. What's up, guys? So basically the department was not open, like nobody was open basically, so we couldn't really do anything I wanted to do today. So right now we're heading home, and yeah, I'll just play a B-roll or something like that. I'm also going to keep you updated on the trades and what happens to them or what goes on. Yeah, stay tuned. What's good, guys? Your boy J Forex, and welcome to this continuation of my day in the live video. So basically I wasn't able to add what happened at the ending on that same day because there was no light. So yeah, I just figured today I'll shoot the video and just explain everything and break down the trades. So here's the P&L for the week. Yeah, it was a red week, not gonna cap. So yeah, we're gonna break down what those losses were like and what caused each of those losses. Yeah, so stay tuned, and yeah, let's go. Alright, so let's hop into the charts, guys. Starting off, we're going to be talking about my loss on Euro USD. So yeah, you can see there, $30 exactly. Let's go into it. As you can already see it, I'm going to pop up a screenshot right now, to show you, what made me, hopping on GBP USD trade after this had taken me out. Alright, so you can see from that screenshot, you can see that what that is called is SMT divergence. Okay, it's something concept I learned from ICT. That's a co-trader Michael. He's one of the most sought out mentors. He's really good, and yeah, I recommend you check out ICT content as well, if you want to understand how market moves and all those kind of things. Because yeah, so basically if you check the time, this low was printed. It's around 4 p.m. that this low was printed, and you can see how this guy just blundered me out by 8 o'clock in the morning, 8 a.m. So yeah, mind you, this 8 a.m. is 9 a.m. our time, Nigerian time. I use London time for my charts, so that as I'm seeing it like as how it's happening for people in London. Yeah, trading London session with London time. So yeah, that's basically how I do it. But yeah, so around 8 a.m. it took me out. And why did I enter this trade? You may be wondering. Okay, let me just give you a little breakdown of my strategy or how I trade. So yes, you can see that this area here is my POI, and what am I expecting on this POI? I'm expecting buys to happen in this POI from what I marked out. So once price came into this POI, rejected out, there's this first move out of the POI. Some people trade that, and it's profitable for them, but anyways, I don't trade that. I wait for price break down, take out that low again, then form bullish structure, and that's what happened with this candle right here. So when I saw this coming into the market the next day in the morning, I was like, okay, so price is going to come into this FVG and probably buy up. Just looking for 3 hours, nothing serious, just targeting this this zone here, because there's this FVG here and this FVG here that are still left. Price has not traded, balanced them out. So that was my thought process, and that was what I was thinking. Price is going to go up there and find those FVGs. So what happened? I lost. Like immediately, price just took me out, aggressively. So like I said in that screenshot, I went to GBP/USD. Alright, I went into GBP/USD, and I saw that okay, GBP/USD lows around 4 p.m. the previous day wasn't taken out. Price held the order block. Alright, so I hopped into this buys on GBP/USD and targeting 3%. Same thing, I always target 3 hours. So you can see here that price hits my TP. So you're wondering, okay, why did I not hit a profit on my MetaSpy? Bro, my mentor says this, bro, you can be profitable on TradingView, but then MetaTrader 5 is in red, and this is, I'm a living example right now, but not for long, obviously. It's just one of those things. So yeah, what happened was that normally I'm risking $30, which is because I'm trading a $6,000 funded next prop account. Basically my camera keeps cutting out, so I don't know, some of the clips, some things may not be here on the clip, so I apologize for that, but whatever is not here, I'll just still play the voice out for you. So yeah, when you come into my GBP/USD trade, you can see that okay, there was the order block here held on GBP/USD, but on Euro, after I had taken the loss on Euro, you can see that the order block didn't hold on Euro. The order block, the FVG didn't hold. The order block on the 1 hour as well didn't hold. If you check you see the MT5 screenshot I showed you. I don't know if it's MT5 or if it's for TradingView. I think it's TradingView screenshot. So you can see that order block here, this bullish order block here, it didn't hold price. So when I went into GBP/USD, I was like, okay, this one is going to buy. It has a higher probability of buying. Same like mindset. It's at my POI, and I'm expecting buys. So yeah, I looked for the same thing. I also looked for Euro. Yeah, so it's also giving me the same thing on GBP/USD as well. You can see the buys out, strong buys out, and then just sluggish movement into the POI, and it's held. So I got in at 29116 as you see on the screenshot, 29116. And then normally my risk is always $30, which is like 0.5%. But this time around, based on the lot size I was using, if you see from my screenshot, I had to take off something in profits because I was using a higher lot size than I normally use. So that was more than my normal risk. So I took off that position in profit, and yeah, it was using my original lot size. So yeah, you can see price later on, spooled and went on to hit TP on my trading view. Now, but what happened? Because I am always reaching $30, so my mind is fixed on 3 times 30 is $90. So my TP on trading view was my actual 3 hour, but on MetaTrader 5 I set $90. I set the TP with money standards, not with my figures, because I wasn't risking 90. If you check, let's calculate it now. 27.7 times 3. So you see that that's 83.1. So you can see that that was supposed to be my target, 83.1, not 90. So I set it at 90, and price missed my TP by like 2 pips, bro. This was so painful, so painful. And around towards the end of the day, price was still around 2 hour, hovering around 2 hours. So I was like, okay, Asia may just grab this liquidity and then push up. It took the liquidity right well, and it started moving up. So I was like, okay, that's it. The TP is going to be hit by morning, and then I went to sleep. But when I woke up, this is what I saw. Price was back at my entry. Now I didn't move myself to break even because why didn't I even do that? It was just a wrong move from me. I was supposed to have moved myself from break even. Just a lot of things I didn't. I just threw caution to the wind on this trade, and that's what really made me lose, because I shouldn't have lost the trade. I should have at least broken even on this trade. So yeah, that's one of the things in trading you learn every day. So that's how I lost on this account, on this trade. Then my Euro USD buys that you see here is from this point of interest. I'm going to pop up a screenshot quickly on my chart right now. So yeah, that's where I wanted to buy from, that area. So this is my entry here, stop loss here. If you check my entry on that euro is 10837. So you can see right here is 0837. You can look at it here. So that's exactly where I wanted to enter, and I'm just still targeting 3 hour, because 3 hours is what my plan usually gives me when I'm in a trade, whether small trade or higher time frame trade, 3%. So but what happened, the trade gave some profit, came back down, gave another profit, came back, and finally hit me out, stopped me out on the 26th. I entered this trade on the 21st. So just imagine, losing, like holding a trade for 5 days, or even, because you're going to add Sundays and Saturdays as well, and still taking a loss. So trading can be crazy sometimes, but it's part of the game. It's part of the game. It's part of the game. But if you look at GBP USD, I have the similar setup on GBP USD. Similar setup on GBP USD. That's what I was saying. You guys shouldn't be confused. Similar setup on GBP USD, but GBP USD is holding the lows. Now I'm not saying that GBP USD is better than Euro USD, but I mean, come on, Euro is the most traded pair on the Forex market, so definitely there's going to be a lot of manipulations on Euro. So see my QMR entry point on QMR means Quasimodo reversal. So yeah, this is my entry point on GBP USD, but I didn't want to take GBP USD because it wasn't looking as clear as Euro to me. I cheated on my babe, I cheated on GBP USD, I cheated on her, and I got spanked in the ass. So yeah, always targeting 3 hour, nothing more, just 3 hour. So yeah, that's what I don't know if this trade is going to go on to hit TP. So we're going to see. We're going to see if this trade hits TP, then it means that I really fucked up. But yeah, anyways, So GBP USD held this low, but Euro took me out, the one I chose. So that's just it. GBP card trade, I closed out in loss because of something I saw. So basically you can see this return into this other block here, bearish order block, and then it sold aggressively into my SL, sorry, into my this zone, and it was targeting these lows. So now as it's taking these lows, okay, I was like, damn, but this sell looks really aggressive, probably wants to also take this low as well. But then again, I was like, okay, see this, look at this fair value gap here on this bearish fair value gap. Your price could easily get in there and sell off, because bro, guys, let me just explain to you this. See how long this trade stayed in my entry, in my close to this point. It stayed there for 12 hours, close to 16 hours. So tell me now, if it were up to you, like, what would you think? I thought price would come to the midpoint here and then, you know, smash, take this next sell side liquidity, take this low, but that's not what happened. You know, price pushed up instead, but that's why I closed out that trade in that loss. I'm always risking $30 on my trade. I don't change anything when it comes to that one. You know, I don't change that. I passed that stage of risk management and all that. You know, two profitable trades next week, and I'm already good. Like, so that's why I'm not scared, or I'm not like really like angry per se, except my GBP trader. You know, I fucked up with calculating what was supposed to be my TP. That's the only one that I'm really like pissed about myself. But definitely, it's just something you can always correct as well and learn from your mistakes. As traders, you know, you keep on failing and failing and failing and failing, but then you keep on failing less. You know, when you keep on failing less, you know, you now become more profitable. You fail less, so that means you're now winning more. Yeah, so that's just it. You make less mistakes. So this trade now, I learned my lesson from this trade on GBP card is always stick to your trading plan. No matter what, if you have said I'm risking $30, bro, don't try to save that $30. Madam, just let it go. You have already put it on the line there. You know, let the market do its thing. So now, if I say I wanted to close this trade now because it's stolen, why would I even do that? Why would I close a trade that hasn't hit its objective? You know, so yeah, I'll still keep you guys on this GBP card trade, because definitely there could be entries on this region, you know, to buy more, as price has broken structure right now. So there could be entries maybe in this 4-hour fair value gap as well. So I'll just be monitoring it definitely for going to grabbing on buys. This Saturday I'm going to, you know, use Saturday for like my studying, Sunday for my studying after church. You know, after church by 12:1 I'll go study. I could just shoot a little clips adding here, but I don't think so, because this video may be out by that Sunday, so probably be in the next video, but who knows. Anyways guys, take it easy. I hope I've broken down everything. Oh, remaining AUD JPY. Okay, AUD JPY. Let's go to AUD JPY. AUD JPY simply took me out at break even. Yes, that's what happened on that one, because I wasn't ready to lose any other trade again, and you know, it was just the right thing to do structurally. So you can see, let's go to the 1 hour. Price is actually, for me, it's not for me. Price is in the discount of this range, of this leg. Price is in premium of this leg here. You understand? Price is in premium. So I was looking to short from here into, you know, discount. Short from premium into discount, because if we're always selling from premium to discount. So that's what I was looking to do. Yeah, my mic is still on. So price gave me a reaction, you know. We were in this trade, you know, price was moving down beautifully, and then I was cautious of this other block here. I was like, okay, there might be some reaction as price reaches this point. There may be a reaction, so I would be glad to take profits at 1.85 or aggressively move my break even down once price was getting closer to these lows here. But price didn't get, when price got here, it reversed, then it came back. So I was just like, okay, let me set my stop loss to break even. Now that we're 1-to-1, price should definitely just smash through on network. Price should definitely just smash through. So yeah, but it's reversed, and then that was how that trade ended. So yeah, this week I'm going to study. I'm going to go back to GBP USD, my baby. I think cheating is not good. Cheating on your pairs is not good. Cheating on your pairs ain't good. So yeah, stick to one pair. Just trade one pair and master that pair. If I see any other juicier setups on, let's say AUD USD, NZD USD, or Euro USD, I'll take them. But I'm still always going to focus on my main baby, which is GBP USD. So yeah, I hope you guys were able to learn something from this trade breakdown, and yeah, I hope the video is not too long. Please, if you found this video insightful, please make sure that you subscribe, because the only way that you can be able to see this video again is only if you subscribe. So please subscribe, like, and yeah, more relatable contents coming up, definitely. And this account, look at the current drawdown on this account, bruh. We're going to try to grow this account back up, and pass this challenge. That's my belief. That's what I know I'm going to be able to try and do. It's not easy. If you fail, it's fine. But yeah, I still have confidence that okay, we're going to be able to come in next week and do something nice by God's grace. So yeah, stay tuned, guys, and subscribe, and love you guys. Bye.
What do I always say at the end of every video? Risking is better than regretting. So yeah.